Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must act fast. Power the phone off immediately to cut short circuits because electricity plus water damages components. Next, remove the case, the SIM tray, SD card, and any accessories so moisture can escape. Use a microfiber cloth to blot visible water gently. Do not shake the phone or press buttons, since that pushes liquid deeper. Once done, position the phone with ports down at a 30-degree angle. This uses gravity to help drain water out of cavities. Now you focus on careful drying and inspection. Place the phone in front of a low-power fan or in a room with good airflow. Avoid hair dryers or ovens because high heat deforms seals and battery cells. For absorption, use silica gel packets if available or a sealed bag with 1/2 cup of rice for 24 to 48 hours, not less. While drying, gently open ports with a soft brush to dislodge trapped droplets and inspect for corrosion or residue that indicates damage. Finish by reassembling carefully. After 24 to 48 hours of drying, reinsert the battery and SIM and power the phone on to test basic functions like screen, touch, speakers, and cellular. If it won't power, try a different cable and charger for 15 to 30 minutes because a damaged cable can mask a working phone. If performance issues or corrosion remain, stop and seek professional repair. Technicians can clean contacts and replace parts. Tip: if the device heats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.